All right, welcome to week 3 of the CrossFit Tyson's Nutrition Vision Challenge. Congrats on getting this far. Everyone's been really good about recording food, also about getting your check-ins, and it's a hard process, but we're diving into the meat of it now, right now. So we got some pretty whiteboard pictures, and we'll have some more of these as we go forward. Four things I want to cover today. First, macronutrients. Second, micronutrients. Third, the check-in process. And fourth, performance. So macronutrients, these are your carbs, fat, and protein goals that you've had starting since last week. This is the building blocks of nutrition. Any food is made up of these three things. And so if we can get that balance right based on what our goals are, we're 80% of the way there. So definitely try and hit those goals, especially protein for this week. Second, micronutrients. So this is where some of the things like vitamins, minerals, how much calcium, potassium, all these different things we hear in nutrition start to weigh in. The micronutrient we're going to talk about today is fiber. Fiber is part of plants that your body, the part of a plant that your body can't digest. So the skin of a plant, kind of what a plant is encased in. And so there are two types of fiber that we want to talk about, soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. And with these two types, they work kind of hand in hand to help your body digest food. On a kind of what does fiber do for me level, fiber makes you feel full, and it also can help reduce your cholesterol with a number of other positive effects as well. So if you find like you're eating what you feel is a lot, but still not feeling full, really look back at what your fiber goal is and see how you did on that day. Soluble fiber, this is things that your body actually digests a little bit and is in your nutritional tract. Insoluble fiber is not processed, not digested at all, but it does make your stool more full. And so it speeds digestion. So kind of a push and pull for your digestive system. Soluble fiber slows down that digestion and also helps your body get more nutrients out of the food you're eating. Foods that are high in soluble fiber are things like nuts, lentils, peas, carrots, and seeds. On the insoluble side, nuts, cauliflower, green beans, berries are great, and whole grains. We'll send out a graphic as part of this video to give some more information there. Third thing, your check-ins. So make sure in your check-in you fill out the feedback section. This is the chance for you to ask any questions about the process, about what you're struggling with, and also to let me know if there's anything weird going on in your week. Maybe the isolation is getting to you, you were super stressed, you couldn't sleep, anything that was out of the ordinary that we can at least be aware of to see if maybe nutrition takes a back seat this time and you focus on an important deadline at work, anything like that. And then also with your check-in, weight is part of that, but there's 14 other things that we're looking at: your pictures, your measurements, your mood, your sleep. So don't focus so much on whether your weight's going up or down, whatever the case is. Also note that MyFitnessPal does not import the weights you enter in your diary in MyFitnessPal. So during your check-in, just update your actual weight for 1 or 2 days. That's all we ask. It's one measurement, and we're looking at your average weight trend over time, not a specific day, whether it's up or down. Last thing for this week is performance. So fourth thing. We're in week 3, towards the end of the week. If not already, maybe you should feel a little bit different during your workouts. Maybe you have been sleeping better and you feel more rested, and so you can lift a little bit more if you actually have weights close by. Maybe you're able to get another day at the gym because you're feeling a little bit stronger or more rested. And so the cycle we get into with nutrition is usually you feel a little bit better before you start to see results. But if you feel better, you go a little bit harder, you get a little bit stronger. If you get stronger, then you do more workouts, you go faster, you get more out of that workout, and then you start to see results physically. So it's kind of a cycle that we get in, and performance almost also performance sometimes leads that cycle. If you aren't eating enough and your performance is falling off a lot, maybe you do a benchmark workout or a set of push-ups and it just doesn't feel like it normally feels. Also clue into that. Maybe we can adjust some things as we move forward. But we're getting into the heart of the challenge. The process should get a little bit more easier, but it also can get tiring. So we'll talk about mentally how we can stick with it as we come into the next few weeks. So that's it. 4 things: macronutrients, talked about micronutrients, fiber, check in, update your feedback, ask questions. 4th, performance, note how you're feeling that week. And that's it. Hit week 3. See you guys soon.